Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find trending filters for Instagram Reels. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the right top, and then you need to click on Reel. And here you can see on the shutter icon, on the shutter button, there is an option of effects. Click on that, and here you can find different effects. But if you want to find the trending, you simply need to click on the trending, and these are all trending filters, and you can use any of the filter. Click on that filter to use, and if you want, you can click on the save icon in the left top. So this is a process by which you can find trending filters for Instagram Reels. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.